Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this nice occasion, let's start our meeting by saying Nangun Sat Kerti Loka Bali, melalui pola pembangunan semesta berencana menuju Bali era baru. Guys, I'm so happy meet you again in this channel. In this nice occasion, we would like to discuss about over and suggestion. Guys, did you ever accepted someone over or suggestion? Or did you ever giving someone suggestion or offering someone something? And then, what are the language expression that you are use? Well guys, to more understand, please check it out this video.
Might I help you? Yes, please. Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Guys, from that video, can you see what is the language expression that used to offering something? Okay, very good. It is may I help you? And then what is the response? Yes, please. Okay, good. Now, I would like to explain about over. Guys, over is an expression of the desire by people in front of the other people to do something or not to do something. Over means to present, introduce, or propose a help or assist for consideration. And of course, it can be accepted or refused. And then, how to express over? We can express over in formal or in informal way. In a formal way, for example, would you like to could I over you? And in informal way, you can say something or have some. Okay, and then now how to respond to the over? If someone offer you something, you can accepting or refusing. If you want to accepting, you can say, yes, please, thank you. And if you want to refusing, you say, no, thanks, thank you, but... Okay, to more understand, please check it out from this video.
Kinta, I'm so thirsty. Would you like a mineral water?
Oh, yes, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Guys, after you watching video, can you now observe what is the language expression that used to offer there? Yeah, very good. They say that, would you like a glass of mineral water? And then, what is the response? Yes, please. Okay, very good. Jadi, offer adalah sebuah tawaran yang diberikan kepada orang lain, baik berupa bantuan atau hal yang lain seperti makanan, minuman, dan di mana orang yang kita tawari mungkin saja akan menerima ataupun menolak tawaran kita. Well, now we would like to continue with the suggestion. Guys, what is suggestion? Suggestion is about say or write an ideas about what people should do. Suggest means to present a suggestion that is introduced or propose an idea, a plan for consideration. Suggestions are abstract and can be in form of the solution, advice, plan, and idea. And of course, it can be accepted or refused. And then how to express suggestion? First, now how about if you want to asking for someone suggestion? What are the language expression that can you use? Okay, I would like to give you the example. Number one is, do you have any suggestion? Second, what should I do? And then third, okay, you can say, let's go, let's. How about if you want to giving suggestion to somebody? You also can say, you should, you had better, I suggest you to. And you also can say, use the word could. For example, could I go with you? Or you can use the word why don't. For example, why don't you go to the movie with me? And then guys, how about you want to respond in some suggestion? Of course, you have a choice whether you want to accepting or refusing. If you want to accepting the suggestion, you can say, sure, okay, yes, why not? Yes, with pleasure. And then how about you are refusing the suggestion? You can say, no, I don't rather not. Sorry, I can't to do that. I don't feel like it. Now guys, to more understand, you can watching this video.
Oh,
Sinta, you look so pale. What happened?
oh, I got the stomach. What should I do?
So take this medicine and take rest.
Thank you, Audrey.
Well guys, from the video, now can you observe what is the language expression that you use in asking for suggestion? Very good. What should I do? And then what is the giving suggestion that you can observe from that video? Okay, good. You should take this medicine and take rest. So guys, suggestion artinya adalah ungkapan yang digunakan pada saat kita memberikan sebuah ide, pikiran atau nasihat untuk menjadi pertimbangan orang lain sebelum orang tersebut mengambil sebuah keputusan. Well guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day.